Standing for long hours can lead to pain and discomfort. With linear length anti-fatigue matting from Notrax, you can work in comfort and safety with mats in various widths that can be cut to length to fit your needs. Prolonged standing on hard and often cold floors can not only lead to fatigue and pain, it can also lead to musculoskeletal disorders, which can increase employee absenteeism and decrease productivity. Linear length anti-fatigue matting from Notrax is specially designed to provide a safe and comfortable raised platform for workers who stand for long periods of time to help ease pain and discomfort and increase employee well-being. With unique features available such as a soft yet tough sponge for premium comfort, Unifusion technology, aggressive diamond tread, red stop, BFL S1 flammability ratings and OSHA-compliant mats, we have ensured our premium anti-fatigue mats combine both safety and durability for hard-working professionals who demand the best. From assembly lines to retail environments, we have the matting solution that fits your needs, with comfort and safety where it counts. Notrax matting is also available in standard or custom tiles with specialized compounds such as oil resistance, ESD, and more.